This is called Padlet, and Padlet is a platform that allows you to put almost like sticky notes down where you put your ideas and your thinking. So we're going to get back into the city of Ember this week. And so what you're going to do is you're going to write down the things that you remember about the story, the city of Ember, questions you have, and what you're thinking about. That's all you're going to do for reading today. So the way you would do that is you would go ahead, you would type something in like um, the setting maybe is something that's on your mind, put your name, and then write about what you remember about the setting, what's important. You might find images that remind you of the setting and take pictures of that. You might include a link. Some of you, I recognize, may have gone ahead in the book. You need to not give anything away. So stick only with what we've read together. What's going to happen is tomorrow you're going to read again. Wednesday, we're going to have one of our live discussions where you're going to come online during the time that I have set up. You can you can sign up for one of 3 discussion groups. And you're going to come on and be able to talk to not only kids from your own class, but kids from another class about number 2. So looking forward to seeing you all this week. I miss you.